Hey, Blueberry, what you doing? You eating? Yeah, what are you eating? You're eating sprouted bread. Is that good? Looks like you've been eating the sprouted bread. See? He's been eating it. Good boy. You eat very healthy. This is the first time I've given the bird sprouted bread, and he went right for it. He knows quality food when he sees it. Yep, you go right for the seeds there. Yep. Very good. How about Rainbow? You want to go eat? You want to eat some sprouted bread? He's never seen sprouted bread. Come on, over here. Want to eat yum yum? No? You're afraid? That's unusual. You're usually not afraid of anything. What happened? You're growing up? You know things are new and you're getting shy? Look, okay, now look at Blueberry. Okay, look at Blueberry. He's eating. Wow, he's scared of the sprouted bread. How about Mango? Come on, Mango. You want to eat some sprouted bread? Come here. No, you're afraid of the sprouted bread too? Only Blueberry's eating it. Blueberry, eat. Come. Let me show you some good yum yum. Okay, you're missing out. Blueberry has the whole thing to himself. Come here. Are you afraid of the sprouted bread? No, don't be afraid. Here, you see? Blueberry, eat. No, Blueberry, eat. Yum yum. He's really afraid. Okay, eat over here. Yeah. There's no need to be afraid of the bread. It's just bread. Come here. Come on. Here. Okay, we'll look at the... See? Rainbow's on my finger now. We'll look at Blueberry, how he does with the bread. So you won't be afraid of bread. The bread is good. You see, he's eating his yum yum. You're still afraid? What are you doing? Come here. Step up. Here. You see? Oh, look at Blueberry. Blueberry's tugging on the bread. Don't let it fall. See? Go eat yum yum. It's yum yum. It's good. It's yum yum. I'm just going to watch Blueberry eat, right? He doesn't even want to go near it. Yeah, go eat. Try. It's good. Yeah, go eat. Blueberry, eat. I'm going up my arm. Here. Yeah. You want your disco ball? You want to play over here? Come here. Yeah, come over here. Yeah, come on. Let's go over here and play. Oh, still afraid of the bread. Only Blueberry eats it. You're a good boy. You're a good eater, right? Was that good bread? Was that very good bread? Yummy, yummy in a tummy? You give Mommy a kiss? Give Mommy a kiss, kiss? Thank you. What a good boy. This is where you like to hang out, right? Well, we got you a new toy here. We got you a new slide. But you have to get used to it. Now, Blueberry, you going to tell Mango that that's food? That's good? Now, what is Mango saying? You're being friendly with Blueberry, right? You're bumping beaks. What can Mango say? You want to give Blueberry a kiss, kiss? Yeah. Hi, baby. Yeah, go eat. Show Mango that you can eat the bread. Come on. Show Mango that you can eat the bread. Show. Go eat. Yum, yum. Come on. Show Mango that you can eat the bread. Yum, yum. You're full, right? Mango, you want to eat? Yum, yum. Come on, go eat. You're not going to try? Come on. Try some bread. It's good. There's a disco ball there too. You're still afraid. You've never seen any bread before, huh? Let's see. You have your cheek dots. So, yeah. So the feather that I saw from the cheeks is not from Rainbow. Let's see who's missing the cheek spots. I think Blueberry has all his cheek spots. Mango's the one that lost it. Mango has no cheek spots. You're missing it. Yeah, look at it. You have no dots on your cheeks. So the ones I found inside the cage belongs to you. Now after several hours of Blueberry eating the sprouted bread, this is Rainbow. He finally decides that it's something that's edible and is good, and he's eating it too. So Rainbow is eating his sprouted grains, right? This is Rainbow. Okay, go eat your sprouted grain bread. Yeah, you're finally eating it. That's a good boy. Eat your sprouted bread. Oh, you're trying to undo my twist tie. No, no, no. No, if you undo the twist tie, the bread's going to fall off. Yeah, I have the bread underneath this cage handle, but it's not enough, so I use a twist tie and poked it through the bread, and that's how I'm holding it down. That's very good. Are you eating it? Kind of hard to eat when the camera's in your face, right? Hooray! Rainbow's eating sprouted bread. It's very good. Now, Blueberry, you had all that bread. That was very good, right? And Mango over there still doesn't want to try. Mango, you're missing out. Rainbow is eating bread. Sprouted bread, come on.